The carne asada taco is the most popular taco you can get. They're like pizza. Even the bad ones are still very, very edible. Now, most of the food trucks out here in California will cook the meat on a flat top. But if you grill the meat, it instantly adds a ton more flavor. Now, I'm keeping it as simple as possible. Just like how we grew up eating it at home when the tios got down on the grill. No fancy marinade, no gimmicks. Just some arrachera hit in the grill is all you need for a delicious tasting taco. So let's start off by getting the grill nice and hot. I'm using the Weber 26-inch. You're gonna start off by dumping some charcoal on the grill. Now, the tios didn't know better back in the day and used to drench the coals in lighter fluid to get it started. But there are much better ways to start it up. I'm using a Grill Blazer's grill gun to start it up. Now, believe me, if our tios had access to this grill gun back in the day, you better believe they would use it. It's fast and it's a ton of fun. I feel it needs a little bit more charcoal, so while I get started, I'm going to drop in a bit more charcoal, and I'm going to get the meat seasoned. This skirt steak is really well marbled. It doesn't need much. I'm dropping in some pepper, salt, and garlic. That's all you really need. Be sure to season both sides. I want the charcoal flavor to really shine through here. Plus, I want to encourage y'all to make it. So I'm keeping it very, very simple. But if you have the time and ingredients, I do have a fancier marinade you can use. It's more like the marinade they use in those Mexican markets you all love, only way better. I'll leave a link to the video down in the description. Let's drop in our arrachera on the grill. Now this is smelling fantastic. There's nothing better than smelling some meat hitting the hot grill. Is this grill looking empty to you? No worries. We have some onions and some delicious ingredients to make a killer salsa. Let's put all of this on the grill. Yep, those are jalapenos, onions, habanero, and Roma tomatoes. I am loving how this is looking. So many colors, so much flavor, and it's all smelling fantastic. I wish I had more meat to drop in here. Okay, so my favorite thing to do is squeeze in a little bit of lime and some beer on top of this carne asada, and it's gonna layer in additional flavor. The tios used to do this back in the day, and it's delicious, trust me. Our meat is done. So let's remove and make sure the rest of our ingredients are cooked to perfection. Okay, so I did end up dropping some marinated short ribs. These were so well marbled, things got way too hot. But luckily, I created a nice cool zone to prevent any of the meat from burning up on me. Yep, now that the short ribs have come out to play, it's now a carne asada party at this point. But let's not get distracted with the short ribs. Although delicious, we have a carne asada taco to build. First, let's get our carne asada and cut it up. We'll want to make thin slices, then cut into small squares. Now be sure to cut it all up. Alright, and now it's time to build our tacos. Let's build 3. Get 3 corn tortillas and drop in a nice helping of some carne asada. First, I'm dropping in some of my habanero salsa. Now, are you interested in some salsa recipes? Let me know down in the comments with the hashtag carne asada. Drop in our chopped onion, cilantro, and a spoonful of some fresh guacamole that my wife made. Carne asada taco. Now this would be the time for you to grab yourself a beer, or a Mexican beer if you're feeling fancy. Cheers. Now in my opinion, that guacamole had enough lime, so I didn't have to do my lime squeeze on my taco because that guacamole had plenty of lime, absolutely perfect. Let's not overcomplicate a carne asada taco. The ingredients were super simple. Freshly grilled meat, onion, cilantro, spicy, delicious salsa, and some fresh guacamole is all you need for a fantastic tasting taco. I can eat about 5 or 6 of these, no lie. So, are carne asadas tacos the best tacos you can get? It's a close race, but the winner I think are these tacos right over here. So check out that video next.